Hello, today I'm finally finishing up all these little hex digit displays. I bought 30 total of these, and all I need to do is add a socket. Unfortunately, this doesn't work quite as well as I expected it to. You can see the video over here. But anyway, let's get building. Remember, solder like a pro, don't solder like me. Heyo, welcome to halftime on the assembly of these display units. A little more info on these. These are my own design. They are designed to run in line, or rather run in daisy chain, and they're I2C, and the program starts up. We use a little programmer to set the address, and we'll set the address in each one as we assemble it into its frames. If you'd like to get the files necessary to build one of these yourself, or 25, 30 of them, feel free to comment down below. I may just go ahead and open source this. It's pretty general purpose, even though these are supposed to be the individual byte displays for my EUP5108 physical emulation. But I may just turn it into a generic display for now that I can control from my desktop. We can display all sorts of fun stuff. The time, the outdoor temperature, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 1000, 3, 1000, 4. Well, I got somewhat better over the time. Practice makes perfect, as I always say. We've got 24 of them. We have rails like this. As the box shows, this was supposed to be whatever my current project was. The current travel project. Got a few wires. Yeah, that's the light test. Alright, cool beans. So if you'd like to buy one of these, feel free to leave a comment below, or maybe I open source it, but either way you're going to have to pay for it. The more orders I can get, the more I can get in bulk. So leave a comment down below. Maybe you want to buy one, maybe 5, maybe 10. I'll show you how it works in the code here momentarily. So this is the programmer. And this is where things went awry. Turns out this little yellow programmer is dead, just like the previous one I bought a couple of years earlier. So everything got pushed away onto the back burner while I put together another one using one of the Arduino Nanos that I had laying around. So remember folks, buy spare Nanos. You never know when you might need one to do something different. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Yay! And we'll talk to you next time.